Hello and welcome. I'm the Theory Detective. In these lessons, we'll uncover the mystery of music theory. Now that we've learned about our first flat scale, the F major scale, and its chord, let's take a look at the next flat scale, the B flat major scale. I'll put that up here. B flat major scale. Now, just like when we went from the G major scale to the D major scale, we had to keep the F sharp, and we simply added the C sharp to the list. For the B flat major scale, we will keep the B flat, and we'll add our second flat to the list. Also, because the scale starts with an accidental, the B flat, it also has to have the same accidental on the top, the B flat again. This also gives the A to the B flat the half step it needs. So let's find this pattern. Remember that it's whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, whole step, half step. So we have from here to here, B flat to C, that's a whole step, because it has a B in between. From C to D, it has another note, an accidental or a raised note, in between. So there's another whole step. From D to E is a whole step because it also has a raised note or accidental in between. But here we want whole step, half step. So we have to lower the E to be E flat. So I'll put that here. E flat. And cross out the E, and now we have our half step. From D to E flat to F, of course, is now a whole step. F to G is a whole step, and G to A is a whole step, and I'll fit him in. There we are. So now we have the pattern. Whole step, half step, whole step, half step. So let's see what that looks like on the actual clef. This is the bass clef, so the B is right here. If you say the bass line notes, G, B, D, F, A, so here's the B. We're going to add in the flat, because we have to start with a flat. And remember that the top note is a repeat of the first note, the main note, the root. So we're going to add a flat to that B on top as well. So after that, we have B flat, C, so that's a whole step, C to D, that's a whole step here, and then the D to E, that's a whole step, and we want a half step. So again, we have to lower the E to be E flat here, and that creates the half step. So there's our half step, E flat to F, there's our whole step, F to G, there's our whole step, and G to A, there's our whole step. Finally, because the B has been lowered to B flat, the A to the B flat is our half step. There we are, B flat major scale. Let's hear what it sounds like. First, our F scale. And now our B flat scale. Major. We've just moved it or transposed it from an F up to a B flat. So our root now is our B flat, giving us its name, B flat. And of course it's the major sound, so it's called the major scale. Now along with the B flat scale, we also have our B flat chord. Again, B flat at the bottom, so we have to flat our root, B flat. And then from B flat up to D is a skip, and D up to F, another skip. I'll go ahead and play that. The B flat chord, our root, B flat at the bottom, and I'll go ahead and play it broken or melodically. So blocked, as it's written here, is also harmonic, and then broken is melodic. So those are the two ways that we often play, two most common ways we play the chords, or we use the chords. So we have our scale, B flat major scale, and our chord, B flat major chord. Alright, go ahead and take out your flashcards. B flat major scale, go ahead and write it out. And on the reverse side, write out the whole scale. B flat, C, D, E flat, because that's the second flat, F, G, A, and if you want, go ahead and repeat B flat again to top off the scale. And of course our chord, the B flat chord, you can go ahead and write major to make it more clear, because we'll deal with the minor chords later on. So we have a major sound, so this is the major chord. And we have B flat, and then we skip up to D, and then we skip up to F. So that makes our B flat major chord. Practice them as much as you can until they become very easy, and as always, have a great day.